Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this quick video, you'll learn how to create, configure, and multiple agents within a single Copilot experience using the latest multi-agent features. Firstly, sign in to Copilot Studio. Let's see how to configure multiple agents to work together inside Copilot Studio. This means you can have one main agent. Let's call it the integrate, that routes conversations to other specialized agents based on the user's intent. As you can see, I've just opened the website Q&A agent. Now inside this agent, click on the Agents tab. Now you can see the Add an Agent button. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll see a screen titled Choose how you want to extend your agent, Preview. This is where you can either create a new agent or connect an existing one that's already been built in this environment. If you choose Create an Agent, you're building a sub-agent. This new agent will live inside your current agent, inherit its settings, and is perfect for handling specific tasks. If you choose Connect an existing agent, this lets you plug in a full agent that already exists in your environment. Here's an example. You can see the binary roots Chatbot agent already listed, which I created. And that's how you build agents in Microsoft Copilot Studio and connect them using multi-agent integration. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for updates on new tutorials.